naman ang travels.
Hi everyone! Okay naman, we arrived 4 a.m. kanina. Pahinga lang konti and then we went to our first school at 8 a.m. sa medyo far away places, schools here in Bacoor City. You know why YLEA stands for Youth Leadership Excellence Award. So it is given to students who demonstrated leadership excellence in their respective schools. So we do this in order to promote leadership sa mga young minds natin.
How about the ice cream? How about the ice cream? How's the ice cream?
No comment.
Congratulations to our graduates and to the proud parents. I am Cholina Baro. I'm the president of JCI Lakambini Davao. Actually, every year JCI Philippines gives an award, we call it Youth Leadership Excellence Award, given to the outstanding student who demonstrates leadership excellence in their respective schools. So, dapat sa Davao lang ko maghatag og award, but then I decided since walay JCI sa Hingoog, na-decide na ko na dalhon na ko dire ang YLEA Award.